What's going on, everyone? It's Anthony from S20c and the Ant, and today I got a very special box. So let's see what's inside this box. Finally broke the seal on the tape. Oh man. Nice. Looks like there is a box within this box. So let's go ahead and remove that. Alright. And what's in there is my engine from Inlinepro. I sent it to them to have it bored and honed because the cylinder walls were scratched, and I thought it could be saved with some oversized pistons. So I opened up the box, and that's what's in there. It's kind of upside down. Time to flip it back. Alright, here it is. It's freshly bored and honed for oversized pistons. Let's see here. So this was the worst one, number 4. You kind of see there is some kind of like mark, but it looked like it was honed out. I can't feel anything anymore. There used to be a gouge that would catch a fingernail, and it's not there anymore, which is cool. Very happy about that. Yeah, this is better. I do feel not. I kind of feel something, but not really. And this one's perfect. This is perfect. This is a little rough, but maybe we'll see about that. So that's it. It's just the F20c I got back from Inlinepro, and hopefully this will run properly. Hopefully. That's it. And that's the latest update with my car, and this is the engine I got from my car. Or maybe I'll run this OEM short block, this brand new short block, but I think I might just try to build this and run it. Alright, keep you guys updated. Thanks.